Meta wants its Llama AI in Britain's public healthcare system. More on that coming up, but first, we've tested scores of speakers over the years, and the best ones have made their way into 3 of our buying guides: soundbars, portable speakers, and smart speakers. Right now, Black Friday sales are already underway, bringing notable discounts to a few of our top picks. Amazon says its Black Friday deals will start in earnest November 21st, and we expect other retailers to follow suit. That means there will be far more Bluetooth speakers, smart speakers, and soundbars on sale at that point, and we'll update this post as soon as those new discounts go live. In the meantime, brands like JBL and Bose are already on sale. Head over to Engadget.com for the best Black Friday deals on speakers we could find. And Apple's website hardly ever hosts sales of its own, and they're not making an exception for 2024. So we have to rely on other retailers like Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, and Target to discount Apple devices for Black Friday. This year, the deals are already looking pretty good. If you've been waiting for a better price before grabbing that iPad or MacBook, the wait was likely worth it. We found new all-time low prices on the Apple Watch Series 10, the 10th generation iPad, and the M3 MacBook Air, as well as deals on previous generation devices that'll still serve you well. And if you'd like a little more info before plunking down your money, you can check out our reviews and buying advice beforehand, all of which can be found at Engadget.com. Check out our list of the best Apple deals for Black Friday at Engadget.com. Meta is making a pitch to get its AI into the UK's public health system. The Guardian reported on Tuesday that the company held a hackathon in Europe, tasking over 200 developers to use its Llama AI to improve the country's health services. The company awarded funds for developing AI that shortens wait times in Britain's A&E rooms, ERs in the U.S. The UK's AI Minister, Faryal Clark, told The Guardian that the government can adopt AI, such as Meta's open-source model, to support our key missions. Earlier this month, Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg gave the green light for Llama to work with the U.S. government. Bloomberg reported on the same day that the company was also working with governments and contractors in Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and, as we can see movement toward now, the UK. Given that Britain's use of the open-source AI model wouldn't provide a direct or immediate financial pipeline back to the company, The Guardian asked Meta's president of global affairs, Nick Clegg, what was in it for Meta. It is in the long run indirectly in our interest to see this ecosystem of Llama-based innovation because it then makes it much easier for us to reincorporate innovations that are out there into our own products, Clegg, a former UK deputy prime minister, said. Mark Zuckerberg said in August that Llama was approaching 350 million downloads, which he credited to the AI model's open-source nature. Clegg sounded dismissive, perhaps mockingly so, of fears surrounding AI infiltrating governments. Who knows, maybe AI will start developing a mind of its own and will start wanting to turn us into paperclips by next Tuesday, he told The Guardian. But I think that right now, the technology is way more primitive than a lot of the fears suggest. To be fair to critics, right now is less of a concern than later. The UK AI Minister Clark told The Guardian that the government wouldn't shy away from the significant risk AI represents. Instead, it would make sure that any regulation we introduce is proportionate, supports innovation, and does not place undue burden on business. Thanks for listening to the show. Make sure to rate, review, and subscribe on Apple Podcasts. Today's show featured journalism by Engadget contributor Will Shanklin and was produced by Spoken Layer. I'm Imran Sheikh, and as always, we'll talk more tomorrow.
Spoken Layer.